Hello traders. In this video we are going to be talking about the volume rate of change indicator for MT4. This indicator measures how fast volume is changing over a chosen period, so you can visually spot surges or drops in trading activity that may signal shifting market interests. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so we have it installed, and as you can see, the volume rate of change VROC indicator plots a line in a sub window that oscillates from a zero level. The more the line rises, the more the increase in volume or trading activity, and then the lower the line or the closer to the zero level, the lesser the amount of volume and trading activity going on around that point. So it's pretty straightforward and easy to use and understand. Then as for the settings, let's take a look at the settings we have available at the inputs. Okay, so basically the only customizable input we have here is the period ROC. Right, you can also choose your preferred color for the line in the separate sub window so it stands out clearly on your MT4 charts. Right, so who is this indicator for? The volume rate of change indicator is useful for traders who treat volume as a confirmation or rejection tool for entries and exits, including both technical and fundamentally oriented traders. It does not incorporate price direction directly, can produce false signals in choppy or low volume markets, and may be distorted by sudden volume spikes, so it should be combined with price-based analysis and robust risk management. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full rate of change, you can read the full volume rate of change indicator article, including strategy notes, pros and cons, and user tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.